Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video, I am going to share you another new great DeFi project named Donut Charts, and the website link is donutcharts.com. As you know guys, there are many scam projects that come into the market and this came very fast without paying an investment back. But the Donut Charts is a very different website. Here you can buy this token for future and it will surely go to 40,000x or 50,000x in the future. So you can think of investing in this. We are here to make a difference. DNUT is the token name, an upcoming platform with a minimal UI and plethora of integrated functionalities. You can check the about us of the site. You can read all this about this info of the site here. If you go down, you can check the tokenomics of the site, community driven token it is, no tax on this, no deflectory, and you will get what you buy. And if you go more down, you can check the roadmap of the site, our roadmap for the days to come. It May 2021 it's ongoing and they are showing this what they had done. And you can check the full roadmap of the site from August to September, July, and all this. Here you will find the FAQs. It is this rug no, so you can fully read the FAQ, and when you go down from FAQ you will get AMA session of this site. You can read all this fully AMA session on this site. Here you can check the copyright 2021 donut charts. And when you go above, if you click the BSC scan, you will get to see about the token here. The total supply is 1 lakh DNUT and the holders are 259 and transfers are 2208. And you will check the contract address here. You can check the decimal digit is 18. If you click here PooCoin chart, you will get to know this about the PooCoin chart. From here the price and value of this token. Here the value is $1.8565 of DNUTBNB, and here you can check how much the token is growing. Here you can check the total supply and market capital is 1,84,127. DNUTBNB holdings 10.50 BNB, which is their $10,000 something. If you go down here, you can check the transaction people are doing with this. You can track these transactions also if you don't trust. Here if you go to this is ownership re-announced. You can check this all also. You will get the link in the description. If you want to buy this token, simply click the PancakeSwap link in the above section of this site. When you click PancakeSwap, you will simply get to know about on this site. Simply click I understand button, then click continue, then connect your wallet. You can connect your wallet from any wallet. I have MetaMask, so I will select MetaMask. Simply when you select MetaMask, you have to simply log in your MetaMask wallet, and when you did log in here, you will get the login button here, and then simply click swap button. You will get find here, then simply click unlock wallet, and you can buy this from BNB to DNUT. Like if I want to buy from 1 BNB, you will see 292.162 DNUT I will get. So you can simply buy it. You have to buy it from version 2. Version 1 is not working anymore. So it's a great site. If you want to invest in this token, simply buy this token. You will get all the links in description. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like.